In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a new page to your WordPress website using Elementor. This is a simple process and perfect for beginners who want to create a professional-looking page without any coding. Let's get started. First, log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where you manage everything on your website. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Pages. From the drop-down, select Add New. Now, give your page a title. This could be something like About Us, Contact, Services, or anything that fits your website. A clear title helps keep your site organized and makes your page easier to find. After adding the title, click the Edit with Elementor button. This will open the Elementor Visual Editor, where you can design your page using drag-and-drop tools. On the left side, you'll see a panel filled with widgets such as headings, text, images, and buttons. To add content, simply drag a widget from the panel and drop it onto your page. Elementor uses sections and columns, which makes it easy to control your layout and arrange content exactly how you want. You can customize everything, including colors, fonts, spacing, and alignment, so your page matches the style of your website. Make sure to also check how your page looks on mobile and tablet by using Elementor's responsive view options. If you're using Elementor Pro, you'll have access to advanced widgets like forms, sliders, call-to-action buttons, and more, which can make your page even more engaging. Once you're happy with your design, click the preview icon to see how the page will look to visitors. If everything looks good, click Publish to make your page live. And that's how you add a new page to your WordPress website using Elementor. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.